Okay, grab your rocket and come join us. When I was in the classroom, I was always looking for ways to help my students fail fast, giving them opportunities to receive that feedback so that they can make the modifications that they need. The straw rocket launcher does just that. Not only does it help them with that immediate feedback, but it also builds those 21st century work skills like collaboration, communication, creativity, skills that we know that are important inside the classroom and out in the workforce as well. All right, I think you have the data you need to make some modifications. Why don't you head back to your desks and work on them? The straw rocket launcher is rich with opportunities to experiment. It has a variety of variables that can be adjusted. Thrust, or the force of the rocket, can be adjusted by the height of this tube here. And the angle of trajectory is modified with this rod. And of course, the rocket itself that the students build will have some variables. The nose cone can be a different shape, size, or weight, and the fins can have a different number or location or even shape. And of course, you can change the length of the straw itself. The simple operation of the straw rocket launcher makes it a great fit for grades K through 12. There are multiple entry points for students and teachers of all ability levels, and it's a hands-on, minds-on tool that has multiple academic connections. You could teach Newton's laws, aerodynamics, distance measurement, data analysis. You can even teach the quadratic equation. Bottom line, it's a fun, inexpensive way to teach rocketry in the classroom. Okay, so what modifications are you going to make to your fins?
I might shorten them like right here.
Yeah, change the shape of them to make them taper off a little bit, less wind resistance. I like that idea. What about you? What are you going to do?
I'm going to try to make that to be a triangle.
Okay, so make it so it's kind of splits the air.